Monday, and I am back in the office. I was away this weekend. I was in Virginia on Saturday with my son at a hockey tournament, and that went very well. They didn't win the games, but they played very well despite the tough competition there in Northern Virginia. So we're back in the office today, and I did put an article out on borrowed vehicles and your rights against illegal search and seizure. Remember that our law firm has a lot of cases that start with vehicle searches, and vehicle searches lead to more serious charges like illegal drugs, narcotics, firearms, and in some cases DUI and DWI in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, which is where we practice. And the reason why we focus so heavily on vehicle searches is because a lot of times we can do a lot to have charges either downgraded or dismissed, or possibly in the case where there's a substantial amount of evidence against our case, get the prosecutor or the assistant district attorney thinking about offering us a very favorable plea offer because they believe, based on what we've presented to them, that they may actually lose the case at a pretrial motion. So vehicle searches are a very important topic that you need to be aware of. Now, in the case of borrowed vehicles and rental vehicles, you have to understand that you do have a constitutional right and you do have an expectation of privacy in those items. People are often misled or confused by that. They're told that if you don't own it or don't have some sort of ownership ability over that particular vehicle, you don't have any constitutional rights. And that is simply not the case. It is well established at the federal level as well as in the Pennsylvania Constitution. If your criminal defense lawyer can establish a connection between you and that vehicle, you have an expectation of privacy. And remember, the expectation of privacy is essential for establishing standing. And you can't assert a right against illegal search and seizure under the Fourth Amendment to the United States Constitution if you don't have standing to do so. You need that expectation of privacy. And expectation of privacy, the courts will use an objective standard and also a subjective standard. The objective standard is very clear. That's where we get into ownership. Obviously, if you own the vehicle, there's a clear expectation of privacy. Obviously, the expectation of privacy in a vehicle is not as high as the expectation of privacy in your home or place of living, because the law understands that vehicles, unlike homes, are highly regulated. So the expectation of privacy is much less. But getting back to the issue of vehicles, if you don't own the vehicle, well, what can your attorney do to establish your expectation of privacy? Well, with a rental car, that's easy. I mean, if the rental agreement is between you and the rental car, there's your expectation of privacy. If it's not a rental car and you simply borrow the car from a friend or family member, it may become necessary if the issue of standing becomes an issue at a pretrial motion or your attorney believes it's going to be an issue, it may be necessary for your attorney to present the actual owner of the vehicle to testify as to your relationship or the relationship that the owner gave you to the vehicle, i.e. the permission to actually drive that car. So if you have questions about this issue, it's a very, very important issue. Remember, never give consent to search your car, your place of living, obviously, your home, or your person. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Look for the article on our blog at gambonelaw.com. That's our website. It's a wonderful resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos, everything that I've ever written as a lawyer is available there in one convenient format. You also have the ability to text us with a question or also download our strategy books, which are available there. They are great resources to have. So once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Have a great Monday. I'll talk to you all very soon.